Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. My name is Irdina Adriana binti ROZI-AI. My matrix number is 08 DPI 20F 2007, and today I would like to teach you guys how to make a flower petals using papers. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so all the metrics are very simple and easy to get. All you need are 3 colorful A4 papers, a glue stick or a hot glue gun, a pencil, scissor, and also a mini stick. Okay, so the first step is the paper is cut into 3 square pieces. So take your A4 paper and then make it like this. Fold it into like this, and then you are going to cut the extra paper over here using a scissor. So be careful with scissor, you don't want to get cut because it is very sharp. Make sure you be careful with the scissor. Now you get this shape, you need to fold it into half. Like this, and then fold it into another half. So this is how you get a square pieces. See? Now you can cut the pieces, and there you go. One piece is down, 2 more to go. There you go, you have 3 square pieces. On to the second step. So the next step is the paper is folded into triangle shape. So this is how you make a triangle shape. You take the paper and then fold it like this. But we don't stop just there. We need to fold it another one, and then fold it into another triangle. Okay, the third step is the paper is marked with a semicircle and is cut. So take your triangle paper and then draw a semicircle with a pencil. Like this. All you need to do is cut the semicircle shape. And then you need to cut the end of the edges. Just a little bit. Fourth step is the paper is cut into segments and into 3 parts. So take your paper and then cut it into one segment, which is like this. So the first paper will have the first segment. The fifth step is very easy, which is the edges of the paper is curled. So take your paper and then take the stick that you prepared and curl the edges outwards. Make sure it is curled outwards, not inwards, like this. Step is the edges of the paper is glued. So take the paper that you just curled and then glue it like this. Okay, the final step is the petal is arranged and glued. So take your first bigger petals. Mine look like this, and then just stack them according to their size. Now it will look like this. Ta-da! So this is the end of the product. Now you can make bunch of these and give it to those that you love the most, or to the special ones, or whoever you wanted to give. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys can learn how to make an easy flower. Bye guys, thanks for watching.